I'm Alyssa Joneswood. I'm the Sustainability Coordinator for the City of Tumwater, and we are here overseeing the installation of this new solar-powered EV charger at Pioneer Park. So there are a lot of areas of our community where charging for electric vehicles would be very helpful, but we might not have the panel capacity or some of the infrastructure available to deploy EV charging. So this option here is off-grid, so we don't need to have any electrical wiring or trenching happen. So this is an option to help us put charging in beautiful natural spaces that maybe don't have a lot of electrical capacity. This will mean that we have more EV charging in the community. So we have only a handful of chargers in the city of Tumwater, some at private locations, some at public locations, but this adds 2 more chargers that our residents and community members will have access to. So encouraging electric vehicles and driving electric vehicles and other ways of reducing emissions related to transportation is part of our Thirst and Climate Mitigation Plan. So this is just one strategy of many that we need to address our transportation-related emissions, most of which come from the tailpipes of personal vehicles. So this makes it so that people can charge and have the option to charge vehicles that don't have tailpipe emissions. And also, fun fact, this charger also has extra chargers or a plug for electric bicycles to also charge. So it's not just all about personal vehicles. This is also supposed to be able to help other e-mobility options like bicycles and electric wheelchairs. This is a pilot, so we're trying this one at Pioneer Park, and we're going to be watching it intently over the next year to see how effective it is in terms of meeting our community's needs, providing the amount of charge, if there's any issues that we need to consider to make any future deployments right the first time as well.